Hello friends, this is Megha and welcome to my channel Crazy for Health. Today we'll be making a very nutritious spinach egg bhurji. So let's quickly check out the recipe. We'll start by taking 1 teaspoon of butter in a pan. And add onions and green chillies. Saute for a while. Now add tomatoes and stir till they are turned slightly soft. Next add the spinach and cook till the spinach becomes soft. Now add black pepper powder, salt to taste and mix well. Next we'll be adding garlic cloves, and now the beaten eggs. To make perfectly scrambled eggs, keep the flame to low heat and keep stirring the eggs till they are done. In about 2 minutes, the scrambled eggs will be ready. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for future updates with me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.